स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे संदर्भ से IRCTC Q3 Financial Year 26 Result PAT grow 16% to raise 394 crore 175 dividend declared. IRCTC has registered a 15.5% increase in its net profit for the December quarter. IRCTC is the only firm authorized by the Indian Railway to manage food service on board train and offer online railway ticket booking service. IRCTC has on Thursday registered a net profit of ₹394.5 crore for the quarter ended December 31, marking a jump of 15.6% over the corresponding period a year ago. Its revenue grew 18.4% on year-on-year basis to ₹1,449.5 crore, according to a regulatory filing. IRCTC is the only firm authorized by the Indian Railway to manage food service on board train and offer online railway ticket booking service. IRCTC has CTC Q3 Financial Year 26 earnings segment-wise revenue growth. The company registered revenue expansion across business segments, with the overall catering and internet ticketing segment and cleansing double-digit percentage growth. Catering Q3 Financial Year 26 raised 661.4 crore. Q3 Financial Year 25 raised 554.8 crore. Since 19.2 for rail near raised 102.8 crore for raised 96.4 crore 6.6. IRCTC announced 175 dividend. The company announced a dividend raise 3.5 per equity share, a 175% payout given the face value of raise 2 per equity share, and this is the company's second interim dividend for the financial year. IRCTC has set Friday, February 20 as the record date for the dividend. IRCTC shares earlier on Thursday. The IRCTC stock fell 1.0% to close at 621.9 pieces on BSE. At this level, the stock has lost 9.3% of its value so far this year and underperforming a 1.3% decline in the Nifty 50. IRCTC share have fallen 18.1% in a year while the benchmark indices has raised 12%.